Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a form in Monday.com. Ladies and gentlemen, on Monday.com, on the dashboard on your left hand side, you will see a bunch of things in this taskbar. Underneath workspaces, choose the workspace you'd like to create your form in, hit the plus button and come down here to form. Now there are a few ways of doing this. First, you can click on new form, and this will basically allow you to create a new form from scratch without having any template or anything within there. Okay, so this is what the new form looks like, and I'm just going to go back to what it looks like. So you can click on edit form here, and here if you have the edit tab open, you can have a look at each piece of content within the form. So we've got our welcome page which we can turn on, and the start button you can actually put in there whatever it is that you would like. So let's just say, for example, we're going to say begin, and it says begin, not start. Here you can add a logo. The form over here, you can change the name, you can add a description, and then in the name section you can add a description here. You can add question settings. You can also add logic, and this is a way of separating user input. So for example, show this question if, say, the previous question was perhaps answered yes or no, and then it'll direct the user to a different question. Once you're done there, you can click on add, and you can add whatever content you would like to add in here. So let's say we want to go ahead and we want to add short text. We've got selection, file, we've got time, there's a bunch of other things here, and then there's Monday board questions over here as well. Okay, so whatever it is you'd like to add in here, just click on whatever it is, and as you can see here, I'm going to connect boards, click on add, and here it is. So you can now customize this the way you customized each and every other element. Now if you go to design, on the right hand side you can see that you can choose different formats, alignments, colors, different backgrounds, logos and headers, and then of course your font as well. Now if you go into settings will allow you to configure or customize the way your form actually works. So we've got general settings. As you can see, there are numerous options for you to go through, read through, and see what actually works for you. Here are some after submission options, some form tags which you can add in here, and then your board settings as well. Now once you're done, you can go ahead and you can copy this link and you can share it to whoever you want to, and then you can also go ahead and you can just say share form, and this will allow you to copy the link. You can send it via email, QR code, you can embed it into a web page, you can share it directly on Facebook, LinkedIn, WhatsApp, or on X. Over here you can also change how you share it. So there is the shorten URL option, there's password protection, and then you can also turn on the requirement to log in to Monday.com. There we go, you've now created a form on Monday.